Himalayas, known as Devabhumi, the abode of gods, a land of spontaneous silence. One who resides here naturally becomes meditator. One who meditates here who becomes indifferences. So let's begin your inner journey with 2 minutes guided meditation. Sit with head, neck and trunk straight. Gently close your eyes. Keep gentle smile on your face. Withdraw your mind from all other places. Be here and now. Relax your forehead. Relax your whole body. From head to toes, toes to head. Breathe as your whole body is breathing from head to toes, toes to head. Now slowly bring your awareness to the breathing process. Observe your incoming and outgoing breath. Do not interpret with your breath. Observe as it is. Once you start observing, your breath becomes slow, smooth and even. Now shift your awareness to the tip of the nose. Feel the flow and touch of the breath in your nostrils. Breathe slowly, smoothly, evenly and silently. Continue as long as you wish. Gently open your eyes. Let the quietness of the mind continue even after eyes open. If you practice this even for 2-3 minutes, you will notice subtle changes in yourself. Thank you. Namaste. God bless you.